trim them bushes back. Well, sorry about that, guy. It'll buff out. Trust me. Well, at least I didn't have to go very far to pick a load up. Okie dokie, thank you. Got it. Seems like there's an awful lot of traffic. What the hell, you know? Must be rush hour. And off we go. I think after this one I might try that 900A long or whatever it is. I don't remember why. I tried that one. Ha! Dumbass truck. Ha! Guess what? Okay. That truck decided to hit me. Oop, I'm crooked. Now it's jumping around. Here we go again with the bouncing truck. I don't know what mod is causing this, but it's one of the mods I've got loaded that's doing it. It's not going to go crazy like some of the other ones did, though, looks like. Well, it's bouncing over sideways a little bit now. I better get away from it so it don't hit me. This is weird driving backwards. It's gradually moving over. I caught it in the rear view mirror because I was pulled way out in the lane. I don't know why that truck kept going. It just kept going and ran into the side of my trailer. Speaking of which, well, I didn't take any damage from it though. I don't think it's going to stop bouncing though. Yeah, if you look at my highlights, which I'm going to highlight this one too. I'll watch it here for a minute, but $147. There's some funnier ones. There's one of them where the tractor is jumping up and down on top of a car. And it flips over on top of it and all kinds of shit. It's not going to stop though. The only way it'll stop is to get far enough away that the AI despawns. Traffic's backing up a bit. I'll make a highlight of that one too, but that one's nothing like the first one. The first one is the one that's the funniest. That video is about 39 minutes long, and it gets funnier and funnier, and it stops. It finally stops, and I took my truck and rammed it and made it tip back over again and started it all over again. It's a pretty good video. It's well worth watching. You're going to laugh your ass off.